something simmering inside of me. Something I'm never dared to tap into, something I'm afraid to acknowledge. Every day I feel like I'm reliving the same nightmare. I open my mouth to shout, to fight, to swing my fist, but my vocal cords are cut. My arms are heavy and weighted down as if I'm trapped in wet cement, and I'm screaming. But no one can hear me. No one can reach me, and I'm caught, and it's killing me. There will be a bird today. It will be white with streaks of gold like a crown atop of its head. It will fly. I have a heart, says science. But I am a monster, says society. And I know it. Of course I know it. I know what I've done. I'm not asking for sympathy. But sometimes I think, sometimes I wonder, if I were a monster, surely I would feel it by now.